Watch this AI tool find more leads in 2 minutes than most agencies find in 12 months. It literally does all the hard work for you completely for free. So I'm going to show you how to use this tool step by step to get real, ready to buy leads delivered straight to you on a silver platter, as well as how to turn these leads into cold hard cash for your agency. Plus, I'll also share a new simple strategy that will triple your close rate and has already made my agency 49K in the last 65 days. First, I want you to imagine for a second that every 30 minutes, a new salesman is knocking on your door trying to sell you something. After a few days, you probably get tired of being sold to and just stop answering the door. It doesn't matter how good the salesperson or service is, you'll just ignore what they have to say. This is what's happening to the exact businesses you're reaching out to. They're getting dozens of emails into their inbox every single day, and instead of reading all of them, they're binned just as quickly as they came in. You can literally find countless Reddit posts complaining about this exact issue. Now, to fix this and get people to actually respond, you need to understand why this is happening. If you use D7 or Apollo to scrape leads in roofing, med spas, gyms, you're late to the party. These niches are receiving thousands of outreach emails every single day from agency owners just like you, saying the same thing, selling the same thing, and booking 0 meetings. So if you want to actually have a chance of getting a reply, you need to find those untapped goldmine niches that are getting overlooked by these tools. This alone will 10x your open rates and means your campaigns will actually book meetings. But how do you find those goldmine niches? Firstly, we need to think high revenue and bad online presence. ChatGPT is your best friend here, and it will save you weeks of hard work. Tree surgeons, IV drip companies, and barbershops all work extremely well, and more importantly, are completely slept on. Next, you want to download this Chrome extension called Instant Data Scraper. It's completely free. Okay, so the tool we're going to be using is called Instant Data Scraper. And you can see here, it's got over 6,000 5-star reviews. It's got over 1 million users. This is a legit tool and it's free, most importantly. So why would you not use it? Obviously, I already have it on my Chrome extension. If you didn't, it would say add to Chrome extension over here, and you just do so. And it's a little Pokeball up here in the top right-hand corner. For this example, I'm going to do roofers in New York City. You can do any niche in any city. All it's going to do is going to scrape Google business profiles like so on Google Maps. I'm going to show you exactly how it does it here. So what we want to do is we want to go up and click on the Pokeball, and it's going to pull up something that looks like this. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to change minimum delay to 3 and maximum delay to 6. And it should look something like this. Then you're going to want to click Start Crawling. Now, once you've clicked that, what you're going to see is it's going to start crawling the pages. And you can see here, up in here in the top right, pages scraped 2. It's going to now go up to 3 any second now. You see it just went to 3. Rows collected 53. And you can see here, it's going through each page of Google Maps, scraping these leads for you completely for free. And you can just let this run for 5-10 minutes, and it's going to get you quite literally hundreds of leads in your niche, in your target city, completely for free. So I'm going to click Stop Crawling because I've already got the sheet ready. And what you're going to come up with is something like this. Look at this. This is literally hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of leads. Obviously, I clicked Stop Crawling, so there's only 100 leads on this sheet. But if you let it keep going and going and going, you're going to have hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of leads completely for free. So there's no excuse not to have loads of warm leads in your niche because this doesn't cost you anything. All you have to do is literally what I just showed you. So go and add Instant Data Scraper to your Chrome extension and start getting leads with this tool. But now that you've got the leads, you still need to turn them into cold hard cash for your agency. What you don't want to do is start calling these leads or sending some generic email offering AI automations. You're going to waste countless hours. Instead, you need to be unique. You want to use something I call the custom AI growth model, which is going to do 2 things. Firstly, it's going to double, even triple the amount of meetings you book. And secondly, it's going to triple your close rates up to 60%. It's so easy. I literally did this with my agency. I made 49K in 65 days. So here's the strategy. Have you ever noticed how restaurants let you eat first before you have to pay? There's actually a good reason for that. Restaurants know it's much easier to ask people for money once they're in a happy state, which in this case is after eating the meal. So what we want to do with our agency is make our clients happy first, i.e. by providing value with as little effort as possible, so that asking for money becomes 10 times easier. But how do you do that? After testing dozens of strategies in my agency, I've broken it down into 3 simple steps. First, we want to tell them we've created something of value for their business inside a cold call or a cold email. This makes sure you don't have to create something every time you reach out, but only when they show interest. Secondly, once they show interest, we use AI to create something that can immediately increase the sales in their business. The best way to do this is to build them a slick looking website, that way they can visually see what you've built for them. This tripled my close rate, and the best part is you can easily sell these for $2,000 each. Now, this isn't the only thing we'll be selling because we don't want to become just a web design agency, but more on that later. So for step 3, we want to use this value proposition to create trust, build rapport, but also so we can upsell them later on with all of our other agency services. And that's it. It's literally that simple. I can't believe no one else is either talking about this or doing it, but if you want to learn how to do this step by step, make sure you watch this video next, because in this video, I show you exactly how to do it and grow your agency fast.